In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the accessibility settings in Copilot to suit your needs, whether you require screen reader assistance, need a higher contrast display, or want to utilize voice control. These steps will guide you through the process to tailor Copilot's functionality to your preferences. To start, you're going to want to access the Copilot settings. This is your gateway to all the modifications you can make to improve your user experience. Start by opening the application. Once you're inside, look for the settings icon. It's usually located in the upper or lower part of the menu, depending on the version you're using. Once you click on this, you'll see a menu with various options related to personalization, and under this larger umbrella, you'll find accessibility options. Navigating to accessibility options is simple. Once you're in the settings menu, either scroll down or look for a section specifically labeled Accessibility Options. If you have a search bar within your settings and you're having trouble locating it, you can even type in Accessibility to get there immediately. This feature is incredibly useful for those who prefer not to dig through each subcategory manually. Now that you're in the Accessibility section, you'll discover various features that can be enabled to enhance your interaction with Copilot. Here, you'll see options for screen reader support, which is particularly helpful for those who might have visual impairments. Enabling this function will ensure that all text on the screen is read aloud, providing an auditory experience. There's also an option for high contrast. Activating this feature will adjust the color scheme to make text and other interface elements stand out more distinctly, improving readability significantly. Finally, you might see an option for voice control. Turning this on allows you to interact with Copilot using your voice, making it incredibly convenient, especially when your hands are occupied or if typing is a challenge. After you've enabled the features that best suit your needs, you'll want to adjust these settings to ensure they work perfectly for you. For instance, in the screen reader settings, you might want to tailor the speed or the voice of the narration to your liking. In terms of high contrast, there could be different themes or presets to choose from. Exploring these additional settings can make a big difference in how you interact with the program. And there you have it. By accessing and adjusting these settings, you've now learned how to personalize the Copilot experience, making it more accessible and easier to use. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you need any more guidance or leave comments below with your questions.